Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of my two-part haul. This is the fashion portion. I'm using the term fashion loosely. If you follow people for their outfit ideas, it's not the type of fashion that I subscribe to. My style is comfy. Hoodies and jeans and t-shirts. My go-to place for that is Kohl's. Okay? I love Kohl's. It's the greatest. You can get so many deals. I love Kohl. My section of Kohl's is like the comfy one. Okay, so they were doing an early Black Friday sale because that's what everyone does now, and they were having sweaters for like $9. You can't say no to that. So I bought lots of things. Some for my husband, some for my daughter, and a bunch for me. I'm probably not going to show you what they look like on me because it's a sweater. Do you need to see that? It's also like 3 sweaters, but in just 4 colors each, because that's also what I do. If I find something that I like, I just buy it in every color. Actually, it's just entirely because I like a very specific type of clothing. For someone who says that they're not picky, I like my clothes to be long enough, and I don't like very fitted clothing. I've never liked very fitted clothing, like even when I was a child. And I have also purchased so many of these things before, and I know that they wash and wear well, so why wouldn't I want more of that, you know? So first thing is another tech gear item. The tech brand at Kohl's has my heart. Has my heart. I have so many tech gear hoodies, it's not even funny. At this point, I think I literally own one in every color, in the men's and the women's colors. I buy the men's smalls and the women's mediums, and I love them. First of all, the women's have thumb holes, and these have like updated thumb holes. I don't know if you can really see, but the thumb holes used to be along the seam, and now they are sideways. And I feel like, first of all, it's a little more comfortable. The other ones were not uncomfortable, but something about this style of thumb hole seems more comfortable. It's an improvement. This is like a slightly different kind than I usually get. I don't know what this, I can't remember what this one is called versus the other that I really typically buy, but this one has drawstrings, the other ones do not. Of course it has the kangaroo pocket, my Michigan t-shirt under there, and these aren't quite as long as the hoodies that I have every color from. So I bought this one, I can't remember what the color's called, I'll have everything linked of course, and then this really pretty like mulberry color. What do they call this color? Oh, fantasy. Well, the text is fantasy berry. Pretty sure they mean berry. This is such a fun color. I love it. And it's the same hoodie. Different color. Okay. I don't have a lot of pink clothing, so trying to remedy that. Okay, so those are the first 2 items. So then we bought some hoodies. Don't judge me. I'm cold all winter. These are actually just Crewneck sweatshirts. These are the ladies' version. This really lovely, like, dirty mustard color. I like these, but they're not my favorite just because I want pockets and hoodies and hoods. And then this one is kind of, it's not heathered, but there's speckles in it. I don't really know what that's called. And then I purchased, the men's have like the uglier colors, and I love the uglier colors. Like this color. Why don't you make this in the ladies' size? It's so beautiful. It looks like pea soup, but neon pea soup. I mean, and you guys, if you watch my videos in the winter, you know I wear one of these every single day. Every single day. And they're so soft. We have this color, and I mainly bought this one because Buster has a hoodie that is this color, and now I can match him. I have one that was kind of close, but it wasn't identical, and I wanted to match my dog. So if you fault me for buying this color, you are a monster. But then they had this is called cattail. Oh, yes! It totally looks like a cattail. You guys all like tried to destroy the cattails that you found in ponds, right? Like it's not like a real cattail. If you're unfamiliar with it, it's a plant that sort of, it doesn't really flower, but sort of. Anyway, and then they had this like marbled one, and this is called Purple Marble. They had a camo one, and I didn't buy the camo one, and I just want you all to take a second to understand what a big deal that is. Did I buy 7 hoodies? Yes, but I didn't buy the camo one, okay? I think that I deserve a pat on the back for that. Okay, I did buy a pair of jeans because I am so on board the flare train. I'm so on board. These are from Conrad, and these are flares, and I did get the short length because I have short baby legs, and I don't know what these are called because I already took the tags off. I will find it and link them, but I mean, look at how wide these flares are. I just wish that they were like a little more flared, you know? Like to me these are just like very wide leg. I put on a pair of flares a couple weeks ago and this is what I said. I said, I'm back, baby. I don't know why I said that. I just felt so much like me and I didn't realize that I wasn't feeling like me wearing skinny jeans. I did not realize that. I'm so excited that flares are back. So excited. I should probably, you know, invest in like actually good quality denim, but jeans last a really long time, okay? I don't really see the need to buy very expensive jeans. Oh wait, I bought one more thing that's like sweatpants related. An actual pair of sweatpants. These are of course Tech Gear. This is called the Ultrasoft Fleece. And they have pockets. And they are not joggers because I cannot stand joggers. Why does everyone want their pants like stuffed around their ankles? Get some boot cut pants up in here, people. So excited for these. These are a medium and I feel like they run true to size. I feel like that for everything. Oh, I got a size 8 in the jeans, which is true to size. And then I also bought Avery a pair. She got a matching hoodie too, but she already took it and is wearing it. And it's this color. I wanted the sweatpants for her. She put the hoodie on and went, oh, this is so soft. And I said, I know. Okay, I bought 2 different sweaters, 3 different colors in each. Because again, the sweaters were like $9. You're not gonna get a cheaper sweater, okay? These are from the So brand, and this is called the, I don't know what it's called. I bought a brown, and then I accidentally ordered this green one twice. I placed a couple orders, so I'm not exactly sure how I did that, but it happened. So I went to exchange the green for another one, and then when I got there, I really loved the brown. It's a really pretty, like, neutral brown. It's not warm, it's just a neutral brown sweater, and I just thought it was beautiful. But then I got there and they had this orange, and I don't own an orange sweater at all, and I thought, ooh, I think I need the orange. I got these in a small. I think they fit, I would maybe size down, I guess is what I would say, because typically I like to wear mediums in pretty much everything, but I thought that the medium was a little bit big. It looked a little bit baggy and a little like not how I'd want a sweater to look, you know? So we have the orange. Oh, what is the orange called? Oh, it's called Orange Cactus. And it's so orange. And then I exchanged the green for the correct size because I had bought, I don't really know what happened with the green. At one point I had 2 of this color. One was the right size, one was the wrong size. Whatever. So we exchanged that. So this is called Lincoln Park. And I just think that this green is so beautiful. I almost exchanged it for the emerald green, but then I said, what color should I get to Jess? And she said orange. And I said, no, I don't have anything orange. I like that. And shock of all shocks, because my favorite color is blue, you would assume I have like a ton of blue clothing. I really don't. I think I have 1 navy blue sweater. So I bought this color, which is called Libby Blue, and I always call this Cinderella Blue. And I think that this color looks nice on me. This color actually looks gorgeous on my daughter. It makes her look, I don't really know. It looks so pretty on her. And this is a nice fit for this. And then I bought another sweater from Croft and Barrow. And this is called the Croft and Barrow. This color is called Pine Grove. And I mean, I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's so green. It's so green. I just was really excited by this color. I love green. I'm just now realizing that the other green sweater that I was going to exchange the brown one for was that exact color. So I'm glad I went with the orange. And then I bought another in that same style sweater in my favorite color, and this is called Strong Blue. I call it Cobalt Blue. I also bought a pink version, like a bright pink version, and I Must have already put that away. Same sweater, same size. Oh, one more thing for Avery. This adorable pair of like motorcycle boots. They look enormous. I don't understand children's shoe sizing. It is so confusing to me. How is it so different? How is it so different? Typically she wears like a 3.5 in a tennis shoe or a 4. So I bought a 4 in the boot. Enormous. So I exchanged it for the 3, but these still look enormous. I don't have an idea, but how cute are these? And when I bought them, they were like $11. I mean, she's gonna look like a little bad mamma jamma in those. And then also, I haven't purchased anything from Sephora in years, but the Sephora in Kohl's was doing like $10 Tarte lippies, and I love the, what are these called? Lip quenches. I have the clear. I've used the clear up entirely. I have to actually, I should get my other one out. It's been in my backup drawer and I kind of forgot I was using the clear Maracuja Juicy Lip, but I think I like the lip quench better in clear than the clear Juicy Lip. But I wanted to get a color and I got rose, and it's really pretty. Oh, they smell like peppermint. It's just a hint of color. It's really nice. It's very comfortable. It feels super hydrating. Okay, the last thing I purchased is not from Kohl's, but I had mentioned on Instagram that I desperately want the 30 years puffer tote bag. I desperately wanted it. Like I haven't thought about any piece of clothing really that much ever. It's just ridiculous. It just looks so plush and cozy, and also like it's gonna be super easy to wash. I just wanted it so badly. And then I saw that they were restocking it, and then I saw that it was $98, and I said, okay, no, that will not work for me. We're gonna try something else. So I found this bag on Banana Republic, and I cannot remember what it's called. I think just quilted puffer tote. It will be linked, of course. I was like, okay, well, how much is this one? It was normally $80. It was half off, so it's $40. And then there was an additional 15% off coupon that I could apply, so I did have to pay for shipping. I didn't meet the free shipping threshold, which I think shipping was $6, so I think I spent like $45 on it or something. But it's really cute. First of all, it's my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors, olive green. It's enormous also. It's much bigger than I thought it was going to be. It has snaps on the sides, so you can make it wider. Like, so much wider. There is a zippered pouch, like a good sized zippered pouch on the inside. The handles are plush. They're big enough that you can sling this over your shoulder. Initially I bought this because I was like, oh, I'll just make it my gym bag, and now I'm like, this is way too nice to take to the gym. No, I still might, but so it's so cute. I did use it as like a weekend bag. I went to Grand Rapids for a few days this month, but this held my toiletry bag, my makeup bag, just a few other random things that wouldn't fit in my suitcase, or I wanted closer to me while I was in the car. And it feels like it's a really nice quality. I like that the material isn't shiny, because a lot of the ones that I was looking at on Amazon, they looked really shiny, and I just didn't want like a shiny bag. That just wasn't what I was really looking for. So this is, no, I don't want to say that it's matte, but there's definitely not shine to it, you know, like a sheen, but not shine. Came in two colors, this olive, and then I think it was black. There's no zipper closure, but there's a magnetic snap here, and it's pretty snappy. So I'm really pleased with this bag, and I just love it so much. So those are the fashion items that I've purchased lately. Have you guys bought anything fun? Please tell me. I'm not the only person who buys the clothing I like in every color. I know I can't be. I know I can't be. Thank you so much for watching. Everything that I mentioned will be linked and listed in the description box. If you use the links, those are affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission from those. Thank you so much. That helps my channel. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.